Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another cash stuffing video. My name is Jeanette and I'm a stay-at-home mama of 4. So come along with me on this journey of the zero-based and cash stuffing method in order to save for 6 months of expenses. Now today's video was promised on Sunday as well as Monday, but we were celebrating my daughter's birthday and yesterday I just couldn't. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the 4 videos I brought you guys last week. So today's video is going to be everything I've saved so far since April, I believe. Let me double check the exact date when I started saving. Yes, April 21st. So this is so far in all my binders what I've saved since April 21st. So let's get started. I'm going to get started with my savings challenge book. And then I'm going to move on to my 6 months of expenses. Okay, hopefully you guys can see the calculator. So in this savings challenge book, I don't have much because 2 of the challenges I did complete. So for the birthday challenge, I have a total of $20. And sorry, my nail broke. It was really bad. I banged on the door and my nail just popped off. So yeah, I have to redo them anyways. So we have $20 in birthday. How was you guys' weekend? This weekend was amazing. My daughter turned 20, so we went out to eat and then we went out to an ice cream place. So I did spend some money in the birthday envelope, but I didn't spend much of it. So yeah, when we get to that, I'll show you guys. Okay, so for the roll the dice challenge, we have 20, 40, 50, 60, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we have a total of $69. What did you guys do this weekend? Did you guys celebrate any birthdays? Let me know in the comments below, how was your weekend? Okay. Christmas should have $15 in it. Let's just double check. Yep. Okay. It feels so weird without a nail. Like an imbalance. Okay, for the $1 diamond challenge, we have a total of 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38. So we have a total of $38. Okay, so for the $5, we only have $10. Okay. So that is it for my savings challenges. I also have my 100 envelope challenge and my scratch and save monthly challenge. Okay, so moving along to 6 months of expenses. Okay, so car note has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 75. Groceries has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90. Mortgage has a total of, so we have a 200 placeholder in mortgage, 20, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 85, 86, 87, 88, 89. So $289. Okay, car insurance has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Cell phone has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70, 71, 72, 73. Water has a total of 20, 40, 60, 70. And sorry if you hit the kids in the background, they're playing. 20, 40, 60, 75. Okay, so that is it for my 6 months of expenses binder. Now we're going to move on to my Scratch and Save monthly challenge to see how much I have in there. Okay, for this book, we're going to go to July. I think I'm going to complete this week. Okay, so we should have a total of, so far, 10, 20, 30, 40. So $40 here. And then when I complete this challenge, I usually just put it into my 6 months of expenses. Or my sinking funds, whichever one. Okay, so that is that. Now moving on to my sinking funds. So kids has a total of 20, 40, 60, 80, 90, 100. I'm actually going to put 100 placeholder into kids. So we have $100 in kids. Okay, holiday has a total of, so we have a 300 placeholder, 1, 2, 3, 4, so $304 for holiday. Back to school has a total of 200, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. So we have 240. And back to school. Birthdays now has a total of, so birthdays had a total of 190. Now we have 100, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 61, 62, 63, 64, 65. So now we have a total of 165 for birthdays. And this was just, I bought her ice cream. Well, I bought everybody ice cream, so that's what the money got spent on. But we went out to dinner. My husband did pay for it. So that was it. And her gift, as far as her laptop, my husband bought it. I'm not going to count Shopify, taxes, or Cricut at all. Because this money does get used. So let's move on. The last one is going to be the 100 envelope challenge. And we're up to 23. So I'm going to count up to 23. So plus 1. Okay, so far since April, I've saved a total of $1,753. So that is amazing. Let me know in the comments below how much you have saved so far with cash stuffing, how long you've been cash stuffing for if you are a cash stuffer. And also, all these items are available in my shop in the description box. So check those out when you get a chance. Thank you guys for watching. Hopefully you had a great weekend, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.